You see couples all around you, all lovey-dovey and cuddly, and you feel a little jealous. Do you want to get over your FOMO and allow true love to come into your life? Do you want to manifest a dream partner who checks off all the boxes in the list? Well, your search stops right here. Because in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can manifest your dream partner using our favorite law of attraction. Hi everyone. I thought of having a more one-to-one, intimate kind of a conversation with all of you, and that's why today's setup may be a little informal, don't mind that. Because today's topic is about how you can manifest your dream guy using your favorite law of attraction. Let's begin. I am also manifesting this alongside you. I am walking right beside you, so you're not alone in this journey. We both want the same things. We both want a great partner who will emotionally always be there like a strong pillar of support. Someone you've always dreamt of having. Actually, manifesting a dream partner is not that difficult. All you need for this technique is a pen and paper. Got it? Are you ready? Now, think of your dream relationship. What would that look like? Rather, what would that feel like? Would your dream partner be someone who's extremely supportive of your career, or someone who's so loving and caring and always reaches out emotionally, or someone who pampers you and makes you feel special? What does that relationship look like? What are some of the most amazing qualities about your dream partner? Is he tall, dark, and handsome? Your choices need not be cliched like my previous line. You can customize your wish according to what you want. It's a blank canvas. Feel free to draw whatever you want to. Use any color, any brush of your choice. But be clear of what you want and write it down. For example, you can write, I have an amazing partner who is so supportive of my career, who pays attention to detail, who cares about other people, and is super generous and loving. We are best friends and we are totally meant for each other. And we have both chemistry and compatibility. He's tall, attractive, and a very good man. You can write it like an essay or you can write it point by point. It's completely up to you. And these are just examples, by the way, so you get an understanding of what you can possibly write in that list. It's totally up to you what you want to write, but make sure you write it with all of your heart. It is possible and you can manifest this. It's not difficult. You make it possible. You make it come to life. Talk it into existence. Talk it into reality. I know you can do this. And the great thing is you're not alone in this. I'm also trying to manifest my dream guy, and I'm also making a clear list of what qualities that I want in my dream partner. And you should too. Whenever this manifests, you guys are going to be the first ones to know. And it goes without saying, I truly cannot wait for this day to happen. I'm so excited and eager to manifest this. And I hope you are too. Now before you jump the gun, there is something that we need to talk about. Oh no, you're not breaking up. I wanted to tell you something about myself. So, I'm 29 years old and I've never really been in like a proper committed type of a relationship. But I do have an idea of how relationships work. I've observed couples around me. And of course, I've had my share of crushes like anybody would. I can't tell you how, but I somehow have an understanding of how real world relationships work. So I would like to pass on my 2 cents to you guys because you guys are my friends, right? So it's my duty to tell you all the good things that I know. People give a lot of importance to chemistry and camaraderie. Now while that is fun, it's very important that you guys are compatible and on the same page. It's very important that you both have common interests. Your morals, your sense of right and wrong, your beliefs, your values, everything should align. Now for example, if your belief is that you are completely against smoking, you need to put that down because this could be a deal breaker for you. Example, I have a partner who shares the same values and beliefs as me. He's a teetotaler and doesn't have any vices, just like me. We're not judging anyone here. We're just having a clarity of what works for us and what doesn't. Because this is a question of your whole life, right? So you have to be serious about it. If you don't put down important pieces of information like this that could be a deal maker or a deal breaker in the future, it can cause problems in the future. And you don't want to be a part of a relationship that can cause conflicts in the future. I'm not saying you guys won't fight. All couples have some small argument or the other. But at least on the basic important things, you'll be on the same page. So if you're someone who hates smoking, make sure that you're attracting someone who believes in the same thing. Similarly, if you are someone who likes to travel, You want someone who likes to spend on luxury and experiences and who's generous with his pocket. A miser or someone who's money minded may not be the right fit for you. If you have been in any kind of relationship or even in a dating situation, you will have some kind of idea of what kind of partner you don't want. All you have to do now is write down the points that you do want in a relationship, the kind of qualities that you do want to see in your future partner. Think of it like an intellectual investment that you're making for your future. Because, like I said, this is a question of your whole life. Example, you don't want a non-vegetarian because you're a vegetarian yourself, or vice versa. Because food forms a central part of every living being's life. If you are a vegetarian and the opposite party is a non-vegetarian, you cannot expect that after marriage he will quit all of this for you. It doesn't work that way. So please be clear of what you want, especially the basics like food habits, lifestyle, work preferences, location preferences, etc. If you are a patriot who wants to live in India and wants to work for the betterment of your country, you should obviously not choose an NRI who has an American dream already. Or if you are someone who aspires to go abroad someday, choosing an IAS officer or someone who already has an established business in India would be a mistake. So make sure you don't write something contrary to what you want. Because sometimes in excitement we write down things and later on when it manifests we are like, oh my god, is this exactly what I wanted? You don't want that kind of situation, right? I actually want to dive deeper into this topic because manifesting a dream partner is huge. It's life altering. It can change your life 360 degrees. So if you want me to make a more detailed video on how you can manifest your dream partner using a dream partner list or a video on any other topic of your choice, let me know in the comments below. Take your time, slowly make this list. There is absolutely no hurry. It was great talking to all of you. See you in the next one. Bye.